Hi friends, welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. This is Harinaganand, the Idumudi Shorthand instructor. I am conducting both online and offline classes to the Shorthand students for learners and also lower, higher and high speeds. Those who want to join the Telegram group can join through the link given in the description box. For the Shorthand students, I am offering general and legal dictations. These will crack you to crack the Shorthand skill test. The Shorthand dictations which I offer 80 and 100 are helpful for competitive examinations such as the State Government of Technical Education and Training, SSC Stenographer, Grade C and D, and other competitive examinations. So everyone can write these passages. Apart from this, I am also providing 120, 150 and legal dictations. I am providing passages like Kailash Chandra to SSC students. Get ready for the dictation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. The Chief Minister has assured that the state government's full cooperation for the construction of national highways and said that it is ready to remove the hurdles, if any, to develop the highways in the state. The National Highways Authority of India officials held a meeting with the Chief Minister at his residence on Tuesday. State Roads and Buildings Minister and others participated in the said meeting. The officials explained to the Chief Minister various problems, including land acquisition in the construction of roads which are being taken by the said department in the state. The Chief Minister responded positively and promised to address the issues and called a high-level meeting at the Secretariat on Wednesday. District collectors where the national highways are being constructed and the officials of the Forest Department will also participate in the meeting to resolve the problems raised by the department. He asked the concerned officials to take up the roadworks immediately and resolve the issues by holding talks with the contract agency. The highway authorities are also advised to start the widening of the national highway works and move forward in coordination with the concerned government. The Chief Minister brought to the attention of the officials the efforts put by the neighboring state government for sanction of the Greenfield Highway project between our state to neighboring state. He again asked the said officials to extend cooperation in the construction of the regional ring road and motivated project of the state government. He also told the officials that his government had already appealed to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to include the RRR project under the centrally sponsored scheme. 12 roads will be constructed between the outer ring road and the regional ring road. Many clusters and satellite townships will be established between them. He also suggested to the officials to take up a high-speed expressway to connect the port in the neighboring state and the proposed dry port in the state which doesn't have coastal area. The Chief Minister appealed to the officials to start the works in National Highway which helps to reduce the distance between them. The new highway will also provide convenience to the people who travel from Maharashtra, Karnataka and also Hyderabad. The Chief Minister directed the Secretary to update him every week on the status of construction of roads in the state. Issues raised by the officials: 1. Allotment of land for construction. 2. Public hearing for land acquisition. 3. Collection of pond soil for the construction. 4. Land acquisition for 6-lane widening. 5. Solve the problems arising with the power generation companies in the construction of national highways. 6. Police security during the construction. A rapid increase in vehicles in the said state has resulted in apprehension about the increasing pollution levels in the state. As per the State Transport Department, the total number of vehicles in the state stands at 1.65 crore. However, as the state has only 500 pollution checking units, it is estimated that over 70% of the vehicles in the state are unchecked for pollution. According to Senior Assistant, every newly registered vehicle is supposed to get a pollution under control certificate within 6 months of its registration. When the vehicle surpasses the pollution levels, a fine of Rs 2,000 to 5,000 is imposed based on the vehicle and the pollution level. According to the operators of the pollution checking units, each of their units check around 11 vehicles per day. If at all, 500 pollution checking units in the state tested 11 vehicles every day, the cumulative figure would come to 5,500 per day. And if the units are functional 365 days without taking any holiday, this leaves vehicles in the state unchecked for pollution. As per the Transport Department, the pollution load for two-wheelers stand at 50.62%, for three-wheelers stand at 34%, four-wheelers petrol at 12%, four-wheelers diesel at 2%. The High Court on Tuesday gave 4 weeks time to the state government to submit its contention in a bill of 2016 filed by the present Chief Minister seeking invoking of the AP Revenue Recovery Act 1864 against seed manufacturers or seed companies for selling spurious seeds and lesser yield of crop to the advertisements of the companies. He had also complained that the then government was not taking action or not invoking penal provisions to succeed seed manufacturers which gave wrong advertisements as that of their seeds are highly suitable to local soil conditions and they will result in good yield. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.